perfect. Khuriso Mudau with that excellent ball. Shalulile, excellent touch to get it over Velimotwa. Goal number 6 in the league. Goal number 10 in all competitions, to go together with the 2 assists. Peter Shalulile gives Mamelodi Sundowns the lead. A game-changing pass coming from Khuriso Mudau. Excellent.
Yeah, his pose on the ball was amazing. And I think there was a little right hand from Velimotwa that just prevented the ball from going through to a potential clearance from Mtetwa. And between the two of them, they contrived the other way, though. And then the dink towards Soles. Goal number 4 for the new signing, 22-year-old Brazilian.
But he might score the goal. But look at all the work that comes from Ribeiro. Again, another assist for Ribeiro. Goes across the goalkeeper, as any youngster would be taught in the development stages. An excellent goal.